Hi guys, Mitch King with the February 28th Friday market recap and trade of the day. Here's Dow 30 up 1/3% today after a scare late in the session on the selling caused by potential conflict between Ukraine and Russia. We were up in record territory for the S&P 500 and dropped quite a bit on some reports that Russian troops were surrounding the airport. It's not very likely there'll be any type of conflict, but it did start causing some selling, especially considering we were in all-time high records and going into the weekend. So the market rebounded. I don't think it's a big issue at all. It's very unlikely that this is going to turn into anything. Here's the NASDAQ hit 43.42 today, another high. Let's take a closer look at the S&P 500, high of 1867. And I've talked about the problem in this area for several weeks. Couldn't get above that 1850 number. Had a little pause in here again, but broke through. Mostly on that Federal Reserve Chairman Yellen's testimony to the Senate Banking Committee last couple of days that was pretty supportive for the stock market. At least her comments were. Russell 2000 all-time intraday high, 1193.50. Couple stocks to consider. Let's take a look at a couple stocks. Here's Tesla. Closed this today as a short-term trader, which I tend to be. I think very conceivable to see this stock come back down in this area below 230, maybe as low as 220 before we look at another buy entry again. This is just a little bit overbought. Starting to watch Apple again for a long. I don't think it's quite ready yet, but just eyeballing this. Netflix is still strong. I expect this to continue this trend. WBC up 1.3%. This guy's just really continuing to move up. Really strong. Trade of the day is VIPS. Stock opened at around 116. The stock closed around 116.60 yesterday and opened up and went all the way up to 123 something in that first half an hour. Another good move on a day trade here was that last hour, went from 120 to 132. Just wonderful move here. Good day trading in stocks. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. And if you'd like to continue to get this report, go to top10stocks.com, and we're delivering this at a lower cost to you with the same content. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday.